Hello everyone, and welcome to Chapter 7 of the STEM Challenge, The World Within. And the title of this chapter is Molecular Genetics, from DNA to Proteins. One of the things we mentioned early on in the course was how important proteins were to the cell. Proteins are really the workhorses. They do a lot of the jobs, a lot of the processes of the cells. And in this chapter, what we're going to take a look at a number of things related to DNA, RNA, and to proteins. In this chapter, we're going to take a look, for example, at one of the most important discoveries of biology, and that's the structure of DNA and RNA in section 7.1. And then in 7.2, we're going to take a look at protein synthesis. Synthesis is a term that means to make. So how do cells make proteins? That's what we're going to look at here. And then finally, in 7.3, we're going to be taking a look at mutations and how mutations occur to our DNA and RNA. I don't want you to read section 7.4, which is on the regulation of gene expression. That's what you would be doing in the next biology course that you take. So we're going to be looking at 7.1, 7.2, 7.3. Please make sure that you read those, study them, take notes, and good luck on the quiz.